Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then your display's on. And then from here we'll go to menu, and we'll just click through menu so you see this system setup, and then language here, and then there's English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish. We'll select that and then save. And then after a few moments it'll auto update everything to Spanish. And then I speak English, so I'll show you this all again to switch it back to English. So through menu, this configuration system, and then idioma, and then here set language to English, and then to save. And that's it, just another few moments and it should auto update and save everything. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.